What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. So as you guys can see, we've had a pretty good week in the stock market, the Nasdaq being up 3.27%. So generally that'll mean my portfolio's done pretty well. So if you look into my first position, Tesla, on the week it's up 5.16%, which now makes my position £158,000, up £65,000, up 71%. And I'm currently sitting at 457 shares. So it's nice to see. And obviously, you've got the Elon compensation package vote going through. That is on I think that's the 6th of November. So the votes need to be in by the 5th. So that'll be next week. And let me just say, if this vote goes through, I think Tesla stock could go up another 10%. Obviously, it could come straight back down, but that is a catalyst to watch out for. A lot of people are saying that it's already priced in that it's going to go through, but I don't think it's 100% certainty that it's going to go through. So I don't think the full benefits of this pay package is priced into stock yet, which is why I think could jump 10%. You know, if it is approved. Obviously, not financial advice. It's just my opinion. Don't buy investments just on like news or potential news. Just buy the investment if you like the company and you think it's a good company to invest in. That's what I do anyway. Onto my next stock, Robinhood. It's had a pretty good week. We did bounce back from, it did go down, but then it bounced back. Now I'm sitting at plus £201, up 21.95%. Current position is £1,100. So I know it's only a small position, but I can't add to it, as if you guys look, allowance left £0. That's what I did. I did use the final bit of my allowance. So yeah, I can't add to that position anymore. Same with IRN, up 2.42%. If you look, if it's actually down on the week, sitting at 10 shares in here. And my new addition to the portfolio, I've actually added Nvidia just because I had some spare cash lying around. It's had a pretty good week, and I've wanted to stay away from Nvidia for the longest time, just because I think there is some risk with being in the biggest company in the world, just because it's easier for other companies to see a goal that they need to achieve. Nvidia doesn't have a goal to try and beat possible market capitalizations. So generally, like we've seen with Apple, when it held the market capitalization of the highest, we just thought it didn't have good gains compared to the rest of the other, like Mag 7, because obviously they want to play catch up to Apple, and Apple, its goal is just whatever goal it makes and how ambitious the company wants to be. Now I don't see the same issue with Nvidia, just because I do see the CEO of being absolute, like, a genius, like almost on level with Elon. Well, I wouldn't say almost, because he only runs one company. Elon runs about 7 companies. So, but yeah, he's very intelligent. I really like Jensen. So yeah, I did get a share of Nvidia of just a little bit of cash I had left in the account. So what's that mean for my portfolio? Well, I'm currently sitting at £160,000. Yes, we crossed the mark. Over the last 3 months, I'm up £50,000, which is kind of insane. Like if you think that's 2 years, that's 2 years salary. Well, a little bit less than 2 years salary, but maybe 1.5 years salary after tax for me. And it's crazy that I made that in 3 months. And this is just the power of investing. Now, I hope the ISA doesn't get ruined in the next budget. Obviously, we still have to wait to see information by the end of the month. I am looking to make a video on my predictions of the upcoming budget. So if you guys are interested in my predictions on what I think is going to happen in the upcoming budget, or any potential policies and how I would change the policies, let me know in down below if you're interested. But yeah, I really want to make that video just because to raise awareness on how bad some of these policies are and how easy it is to fix some of them, which you never know, but they might be fixed by the time they come into the budget. So yeah, I mean, we can only hope. So on the 1 month, we're up about £10,000, and funnily enough, on the week we're about the same as the month. Um, yeah, as you guys can see, ISA allowance. You know, I've used the full £20,000 in the stocks and shares ISA. Hopefully, you know, this doesn't get reduced next tax year. I think it will, and I would rather get reduced than some of the other proposals, like having 50% of your assets in UK companies. I'd rather them just reduce it, make a British ISA, and do it that way. A little bit of cash, obviously can't add to it anymore, and investments, 160,000 in investments. Tesla, 457 shares. Robinhood, 10 shares. RN, 10 shares. And Nvidia, 1 share. So that's all my positions. And if you want to see my asset allocation, yep, unfortunately, Tesla did fall below 99%. So now it's at 98%. Robinhood, 0.7%. RN, 0.29%. And Nvidia, 0.1%. So yeah, anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who might be interested. Please let me know if you guys want me to make a video on predictions on upcoming budget. I might make the video regardless, but I want to hear you guys' feedback and what your predictions are for the upcoming budget. Anyway guys, that's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.